Okay, so today we talk about angle addition. We'll start off with the warm-up. What is the measure of angle AOB? From A to O to B is 30 degrees. What is the measure of COD? C to O to D, that's 60. From D to O to B. From D to O to B is this whole thing right here. So that's 90 plus 60, which is 150. The measure of COB, C to O to B, that's 90, plus B to O to A, that's 30. So 90 plus 30 is 120. And then A to O to C, that's 120, plus D to O to C, D to O to C, 60. 120 plus 60 is 180. So this is just basic addition with angles. So the angle addition postulate, it says that in order to get from A to O to C, I have to add this angle right here, we'll call A to O to B, and B to O to C. That gives me the whole thing, which is A to O to C. The angle addition equation for this picture should be A angle A to B to C plus angle C to B to D. That gives me the whole thing, which is A to B to D. Same thing here. C to B, whoopsies. So angle C to D to B plus angle C to D. What's going on here, man? Let's start over. C to D to B plus, it should be B to D to A equals the whole thing, which is C to D to A. Again, try it again. Okay, so I have C to B to D plus D to B to A. Now here's the thing. Notice how if I go from C to A, that makes a straight line. Well, a straight line is 180 degrees, or angle C to B to A. Okay, 180 degrees is a straight angle. Now if we look at A to O to B, that's this angle, plus B to O to C, which is this angle, that makes a straight line, which makes 180 degrees. Now when two angles are added together to make 180 degrees, they are called supplementary. So try this on your own, but I'll help speed you up. Alright, U to S to R is equal to U to S to T plus angle T to S to R. Now if I want to go from, let's see, R to S to U, that's just R to S to T plus T to S to U. Now look at this big one right here. T to S to U plus U to S to X plus X to S to Q. That's all the way around. Makes a straight line. So it becomes Q S T. Okay. Now if that was a straight line, which doesn't look like it, we're not going to say it is right now, but if it was, it would be 180. You do some classwork on your own. Now let's work this out. So if I have given AEC and CEB, AEC, CEB, the total is going to be 130. So I start off. That's angle AEC plus angle CEB gives me angle AEB. Right? Then all of a sudden I'm going to plug everything in, which is 70 plus 60 should give me 130. If I know that this is all equal to 130, that's true, then angle AEB should be equal to 130. Now whenever I do this, this is the statement, or I call it the what, and this is the reason, and I call this the why. When I do that, why did I do this? Because that's what the angle addition postulate is. Why did I do this? Because it's substitution. And then now I'm going to come back here and plug it in, and I'm just simplifying. Okay, so again we go AEC plus CEB, and they are supplementary, so that means they add up to 180. Now once I know what AEC is, which is 100, CEB is X, and that's equal to 180. I'm going to do some math to solve for X, so I subtract 100 from both sides. So that means X is equal to 80, which means angle CEB is equal to 80. Now why did I do that? Because I did the definition of supplementary, I substituted these numbers in, and then I simplified. Okay. Let's skip that one, and we're done.